ready. Alright. See what we got. So when I told you that almost everything from here down, there was nothing from here down except for like the one shot that I had put there. So I was shooting all around here. So, alright. I'm gonna put one more magazine in. I think I'm gonna shoot the Glock Performance. The Glock 45 with the performance trigger. Let's see. Oh, I wonder if I have a target. All right, guys, this is gonna be my last one. I'm gonna shoot it. All right. I'm gonna put it in. I'm trying to get about 15 yards out, right around where it was last time. All right. So I'm gonna aim for the head. So, and I'm gonna get on out of here. I didn't even shoot. I had my FN 509, which is what I had. FN 509 compact tactical, by the way. But that's what I've been carrying every day. All right, it's game time. So we have a brand new target. We're gonna put it on there. We're gonna see if I can shoot or not. So probably not. Let's do it. Did you see that? I put the magazine in the slide rack forward without me touching it. So, all right, ready. Another thing, the slide doesn't lock that. Let's figure out what's going on with that. All right, one more mag. We'll put it in. See what we got. Again, didn't lock open when it after the last round. Piece of crap. But all right, let's pull it forward. See how I did. Again, I was only aiming for the head area. And I would say we're about 15 to 20 yards out. All right, let's see what we got going on. All right. So that's pretty good. Not too bad. All right. So, anyways, that's it for me today. I'm gonna. Now I'm gonna clean up and get out of here. You guys keep your brass or no? Because I am. Alrighty, guys. Guess that's about a wrap. Put all these away. Oh. I'll sort through everything later. So, I'll show you. Anyways, let me show you what we're working with. Right here, Glock 45 MOS. Got the performance trigger, Holosun 407K, and the XS suppressor height night sights. So I like it. This is my SIG P320. I have the Wilson Combat grip module on there. I really like this gun. And then here's my current everyday carry. This is a FN 509 compact tactical, and I have the 17 round magazine with the grip extension. So even though it's a compact, it makes it like a full size grip. So yep. And then on my everyday carry, I got some hollow points. So I hope nobody sees me putting my gun away. I'm not sure how they feel about that, even though we're at a gun range. You're not supposed to be carrying a loaded. I don't know. Anyways, so let's put everything away. Get everything back up in here. And I just brought this box. This is my Masterpiece Arms, like the Mac 10 clone or whatever. I just used the box for this guy. Anyways. Alright guys, I guess that's it. Let me get this. It's hot outside today. out of here. Close this up. See you later. I don't even know if we're supposed to park here or not, but I did. I was in a rush, so whatever. I had just enough time. It actually worked out pretty good because I had just enough time to shoot my rifles, and I came over here and put them away. And I had just enough time to shoot the shoot my pistols a little bit, but. Can we turn this on? Let's see what we got. So let me turn around. Right here is the pistol range where I was shooting. They have like the building that, so it's like covered in here. It's like 30 or 50 yard. I don't know what it is. And then over here, so you go in over there. Over there, and I think it's a 300 yard rifle range. It's okay. I want to get into the long range, the precision shooting, but it's fun. So, whatever. Anyways, I'm out. I have something to do, so see ya.